Hey guys, what's up? This is Mark of All Trades here again with another video about this DIY portable boombox here. This video is mainly for my new viewers on YouTube that are new to my channel. I've been getting a lot of requests for a sound test because they want to hear how it sounds. When I first made this boombox, I did have some music, but unfortunately I had to remove it because of copyright issues. So I went ahead and made my own music. I did some mashups on GarageBand with some loops, and I'm gonna go ahead and play that for you guys right here. I didn't make the loops that long because I didn't want to make this video that long. So it's about a minute. So let me go ahead and turn this on. The volume on my phone will be at halfway, and the volume for the amp inside the box will also be at halfway. It's at moderate to good listening volume. Alright, without further ado, here we go. Alright guys, that was a little sound test for you guys there. Hope you guys liked the music, and hope you guys liked the video. Let me know what you guys think. Leave me a comment below. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave them down there also so I can answer them. Yeah, so if you guys liked it, let me know. Alright, Mark of All Trades signing out.